So I got this Bud Light sign for my birthday. And it's cool and shit, but the room now is bright as fuck. And I can't even enjoy the mood with the light so bright. You can tell the difference. You turn it off. That's more the vibe I like to have in my little man cave. So I ordered this dimmer, $10. Got it on Amazon. It's used for LEDs, and I said, why not try it on a neon sign? That's hella bright. So come with a remote control, the female side and the male side. So I'm gonna test it out. This is my connection from the light to the plug. It's supposed to go in between those, so pull this out. Alright. Gonna stick this in. 1 second. Nice and snug. Pop that in. Pop that in. Automatically, I can see it without it blinding me. So what I did is just connect male side inside the top of the light, female side in the plug. Let's test it out. %, 50%, 25%, and I can get it darker. And freaking A, it works. $10 fix for the problem. Now the vibe is right back where it needs to be. Yes, indeed. $10, man, Amazon.